Welcome to the Sunnyside, where we share our adventures and misadventures as we try to become sailors. Today is a different type of day, because if you look out there, what is that? It's a big boat. Holy Santa Maria. It's the Santa Maria. That's Columbus's ship arriving in Brunswick, Georgia. It's a replica ship. I think it was made in Spain, and this is its first time in America, and it landed right here, right outside my back door. It's pretty neat. It's going to be here for about a week. Hopefully we'll get aboard today or sometime this week and go check out what it was like crossing the Atlantic on an old boat. I didn't know the Santa Maria had such powerful engines. Of course, the real Santa Maria didn't have engines, but this one does. That's how you have to get around these days. It has two engines and the bow thrusters, actually. Should be quite maneuverable. Really big. A little bit bigger than I thought I was going to be. Big and thin. Someone doesn't care about the Santa Maria. Makes too much noise, huh? They're even coming out in full regalia. Finishing setting up right now. Hoisting that sail up. In a few minutes they're going to have a blessing. The thing I didn't realize is that the Santa Maria had cannons. Here come the masses. Gonna be a lot of people here in just a few seconds. What do you think of all those people? There's a lot more coming. I see them all stacked up there. Hello, welcome to the Santa Maria. They were nice enough to let us on the boat for free, since we're neighbors, and checking it out. This lever is what they use to steer the boat. This is the pole that goes up to where they steer, comes down here, attaches to that, goes out there. Huge rudder outside. No wheel, no fancy pulleys, just levers. Unlike Columbus, they've got some big diesel engines down there. You can smell the diesel up here. This is the captain's quarters.
Oh, that's cool.
Area to hang out. The rest of the crew slept on the main deck. Just threw down a blanket and slept there. Looks like the captain had his own barrel of wine just sitting right there. It's good to be in charge. Look at these get-ups.
Fancy. It's like master and commander.
They know Santa Claus was on the boat. This is the area where they would have stored all their food, provisions for the long trip. I'd hate to have to climb up to the crow's nest every day.
Forget that.
Up that rope ladder there, down there. Gotta be a workout. What could be better than one big tall boat? How about two? The second boat coming in is the Lynx. It's a privateer boat. It's just here by coincidence at the same time as Santa Maria. It's got a big, huge American flag. Very nice. They'll be taking people out on tours, and it's going to be right next to me too. The Lynx just fired its cannon. I missed it. Another exciting day. We've discovered a leak. You can see it, pinhole leak, and it's just squirting water right onto the backside of this wall. Turn Turned off all known sources of pressure to this. So it's a little bit of mystery why it's still leaking. This hose, you can see that it's kind of shot. We've never opened up this wall before, but this layer here is peeling away. But oh, see, so I did something there and water started coming out there. Caught me. Caught me by surprise. Add another project to the list that wasn't on there. How you feeling about that, Maureen?
I don't know. I mean, I guess that wasn't, yeah, it's not terrible though. We solved it in in 30 minutes, so that's good. But at least we know what it is, and you know semi how to fix it. I shouldn't say that because it's not fixed yet.
Yep, so what we're going to have to do is replace that whole hose going down there. It shouldn't be too hard because it just goes from here
Your mouth.
through that hole and the pump's on the other side. So, yeah, shouldn't be hard at all, but it just kind of made a mess here. And it continues to tinkle on the floor. But yeah,
It was in the shower.
gotta clean up. Yeah, good thing I was in the shower. There could have been a lot worse, and good thing we noticed it before it totally ruined the wall.
Yeah, it is on the back of that wood wall though, which sucks.
Things have kind of settled down a bit around here, but you can see the links, the Santa Maria, and the Sunnyside, all hanging out together. As the sun sets on the Santa Maria, that's going to do it on a very eventful day. A lot of things happening, some welcome, some unwelcome, but a very memorable day nonetheless. See you next time on the Sunnyside.